Yeah, I mean, I think we've got a little bit of room to go here with the equal weighted index to hit some new highs. This could still drag out for a few weeks. The market could correct. We could very easily still poke to some nominal new highs with the equal weighted SP 500. And that's perfectly fine. Typically, the market is going to want to do this. The market loves to hit new highs or new lows. That's how it can run stops. That's how it plays the maximum emotions of investors. But I feel like we could see this market run up potentially into May or so. As the saying goes, you sell in May and go away. And if we take a look at the seasonality chart of the SP 500, typically from January up into May, June, July area, this is usually a strong type of market condition. And I believe that we've got a couple months left of the market kind of hitting new all-time highs, the AI stocks, NVIDIA, all these things sucking people in who aren't yet in the markets. And then I think just as they all get positioned, we'll probably start to see some big selling later this year. We saw a big distribution day about a week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago, where everything sold off with big volume. And that is a sign that somebody's out there unloading their big chunks of their portfolios. And so that is what we'll be looking for come May, June, July. If we start seeing more of those, or maybe we even start seeing more of those leading into it, that is definitely a big red flag that big institutions are now trying to get out because they feel like the market is topping. And once the institutionals start selling and they hear about others are selling, it just creates a self-fulfilling prophecy. They all start unloading. They want to sell before the other institutions. And we go into a big sell-off, and it turns into a feeding frenzy of who can sell the fastest and a big sell-off. So that's kind of, I'm bullish, I think, still until we get into May potentially. And then I think we definitely want to keep our eyes peeled for some selling in the markets.